Have you ever found yourself stuck, unable to think of a solution in the heat of the moment? Or maybe you wish you could process information faster and adapt more easily to life's challenges. Well, here's the good news. Your brain is like a muscle, and with the right exercises, you can train it to be quicker, sharper, and more adaptable. In today's video, we're unlocking the secrets to boosting your mental agility. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable strategies to think faster, pivot effortlessly in tough situations, and even turn stress into an opportunity for growth. If you're ready to take your mental sharpness to the next level, you're in the right place. Let's dive in, embrace challenges, and step outside your comfort zone. Mental agility thrives when we're pushed to think differently. So challenging. Yourself is a great first step. This could mean taking on projects that are outside your usual scope, learning new skills, or simply trying activities that force you to think in new ways. Whether it's solving complex puzzles, picking up a new language, or learning a new instrument, pushing yourself beyond what's familiar will force your brain to stretch and adapt. Practice mindfulness and meditation. It might sound counterintuitive, but slowing down can actually make you faster in the long run. Mindfulness and meditation help improve focus, reduce stress, and sharpen cognitive functions. When your mind is clear and calm, it's easier to process information quickly and switch between tasks seamlessly. In fact, studies show that regular mindfulness practice can increase cognitive flexibility and improve your ability to handle stress, two key elements of mental agility. Engage in mental workouts. Just like your body needs exercise to stay fit, your brain needs regular workouts to stay sharp. One of the most effective ways to train your mind is through activities that challenge your thinking. This includes things like playing chess, solving math problems, or engaging in strategic games that require quick thinking and adaptation. Additionally, reading books on various subjects, especially ones that challenge your current perspectives, can help broaden your cognitive horizons and stimulate new ways of thinking. Stay curious and learn continuously. Mental agility isn't a one-time skill that you develop and then forget about. It's a lifelong journey. The more you learn, the more connections your brain makes, and the quicker it becomes at adapting to new situations. Make it a habit to stay curious. Pick up a new hobby, listen to podcasts, watch documentaries, or take online courses. Continuously, acquiring new knowledge trains your brain to think flexibly, and it gives you a mental toolkit to draw from in any situation. Develop emotional intelligence. Being mentally agile isn't just about intellectual thinking, it also involves understanding and managing your emotions in real time. Emotional intelligence, EQ, allows you to recognize when your emotions are clouding your judgment, and it helps you make more rational, adaptable decisions. The better you are at handling stress, frustration, or uncertainty, the more agile your thinking will become in the face of challenges. Improve your decision-making skills. The faster and more effectively you can make decisions, the more mentally agile you become. To build this skill, you need to practice making decisions with limited information. Try to avoid overthinking or waiting for the perfect moment. Instead, focus on making the best decision based on the available data and adjust your course, if necessary. This habit of decisiveness can significantly improve your mental agility over time. Take care of your physical health. It may seem like a no-brainer, but the state of your body directly impacts the state of your mind. Mental clarity, focus, and agility are all closely linked to physical health. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient sleep can all boost brain function, improve memory, and enhance your ability to think on your feet. When your body feels good, your brain works better. So there you have it. Boosting your mental agility doesn't happen overnight, but by consistently practicing these strategies, you'll gradually improve your cognitive flexibility and adapt more easily to life's challenges. Remember, mental agility is about embracing change, staying curious, and continuously pushing your boundaries. The more you train your brain, the sharper it becomes, and the better equipped you'll be to thrive in an ever-changing world. If you found today's video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. so you never miss out on more tips and tricks to enhance your life. Let me know in the comments what mental agility strategies you're going to start using today. Until next time, keep challenging your mind and stay sharp.